Welcome back to AS Motorzone. Imagine pulling into a luxury resort, only to realize the resort came with you. At first glance, this incredible double-decker motorhome doesn't just redefine RV travel, it completely changes what a home on wheels can be. And trust me, the most unbelievable feature isn't even the outside. What you're looking at is unlike almost anything you'll find on the road today. Based on its appearance, this looks like a futuristic concept. Level luxury motorhome, inspired by high-end motor coaches, luxury yachts, and modern architectural design. While many of its specifications aren't visible, its bold styling suggests a premium, custom-built vehicle created for travelers who expect the very best. But that's just the beginning, because every angle of this rolling mansion tells a story of innovation and luxury. The first thing that grabs your attention is its sheer size. This isn't an ordinary RV. The body stretches across multiple axles, giving it a commanding presence that feels more like a luxury tour bus mixed with a modern penthouse than a traditional motorhome. The elongated profile isn't just dramatic, it also hints at an enormous amount of interior living space. The deep metallic burgundy paint, combined with elegant champagne gold accents, gives the entire vehicle an ultra-premium appearance. Under sunlight, the paint reflects beautifully, making every bodyline stand out. It looks like something designed for celebrities, executives, or luxury travelers who want attention wherever they go. Look closer at the front, and you'll notice the massive grille with sharp LED lighting. The front fascia has an aggressive yet elegant personality, combining modern truck-inspired strength with luxury automotive styling. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic windshield help create a sleek appearance despite the vehicle's enormous dimensions. Now, shift your eyes toward the side profile. One of the most striking features is the extensive use of dark panoramic glass. The oversized windows wrap around both floors, creating an open, luxurious look from the outside, while likely providing incredible natural light inside. The black privacy glass also gives the motorhome a mysterious executive appearance. And then there are the wheels. Multiple rear axles immediately suggest that this vehicle was designed to carry substantial weight while maintaining stability and comfort. The polished wheels perfectly complement the premium exterior and reinforce the feeling that every detail has been carefully considered. But wait until you see what could be hiding behind those tinted windows. Although we can't see the complete interior from this image, the exterior strongly suggests an interior inspired by luxury homes rather than traditional RVs. Based on today's highest-end motorhome trends, it's reasonable to imagine stepping into a spacious entrance finished with polished marble flooring, premium hardwood panels, brushed gold accents, and warm ambient LED lighting. The main lounge would likely become the heart of this rolling mansion. Picture oversized cream-colored leather sofas surrounding a designer coffee table, while a massive old television sits opposite a modern electric fireplace. Large windows would fill the room with daylight, while smart privacy glass could instantly provide complete privacy whenever needed. But that's only the beginning. A luxury dining area could easily accommodate family dinners or business meetings with a large marble dining table surrounded by premium leather chairs. Every meal would feel like dining inside a five-star hotel rather than a motorhome parked beside a lake or overlooking the mountains. Move into the kitchen, and modern luxury takes center stage. Based on the overall design language, it's reasonable to expect premium stone countertops, high-end cabinetry, hidden storage solutions, a full-size refrigerator, induction cooking, built-in appliances, and elegant lighting throughout. Every surface would be designed to maximize both beauty and practicality. The bedroom would likely rival the master suite of an upscale apartment. Imagine a king-size bed, designer lighting, luxury linens, custom wardrobes, integrated entertainment, and carefully crafted wood finishes that create an atmosphere of complete relaxation after a long day on the road. And yes, even the bathroom would probably continue that luxury theme. Premium marble surfaces, a spacious walk-in shower, elegant fixtures, floating vanities, and hotel-inspired lighting could easily transform an everyday routine into a spa-like experience. One feature that this massive layout may even allow is a dedicated private office or meeting room. With remote work becoming increasingly common, having a quiet executive workspace inside a luxury motorhome would completely change the way people travel while staying productive. You won't believe the lifestyle this kind of vehicle could deliver. Imagine waking up beside the ocean one week, parking beneath snow-covered mountains the next, and ending your month overlooking a desert sunset all without ever checking into a hotel. Everything you need travels with you. Entertainment would almost certainly play a huge role as well. Premium surround sound, multiple smart televisions, wireless connectivity, integrated lighting controls, climate automation, and advanced security systems would all be natural additions to a motorhome built at this level. Of course, because this appears to be a concept-style design, the exact powertrain isn't visible. However, vehicles of this size are typically powered by heavy-duty turbo diesel engines, paired with commercial-grade automatic transmissions. That combination delivers the torque needed to move such a large luxury coach smoothly across highways while maintaining excellent stability. Advanced driver assistance systems would also be expected. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, multiple cameras, blind spot monitoring, collision avoidance, air suspension, electronic stability control, and premium braking systems would all contribute to making long-distance driving more comfortable and less stressful. Off-grid capability would likely be another major focus. High-capacity lithium batteries, rooftop solar panels, powerful inverters, large freshwater storage, advanced waste management systems, and automatic energy monitoring would allow owners to stay comfortably away from traditional campgrounds for extended periods. But perhaps the greatest luxury isn't any individual feature. It's the freedom. Freedom to wake up wherever you choose. Freedom to bring your luxury home with you. Freedom to explore America and Canada without sacrificing comfort, elegance, or convenience. As for pricing, since this appears to be a highly customized luxury concept rather than a confirmed production model, there's no official price available. However, based on comparable ultra-premium custom motorhomes currently on the market, a realistic estimate would likely fall somewhere between $2 million and $5 million, depending on customization, materials, technology, and interior features. The buyers for a vehicle like this would likely include successful entrepreneurs, celebrities, professional athletes, luxury travelers, executive families, and anyone who wants the ultimate combination of mobility and first-class living. And honestly, this motorhome proves that the future of luxury travel isn't simply about reaching your destination, it's about making every mile unforgettable. So, what do you think? Would you actually live full-time in a luxury motorhome like this? Or would you use it for unforgettable road trips across America? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exclusive luxury tour, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to Car Studio for more incredible luxury motorhomes and exotic vehicles, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.